Hello everyone. In this video session, I am going to practically demonstrate one of the Selenium WebDriver commands, that is executeScript command. So, what is the purpose of this command? Let me explain. If we want to run the JavaScript code using the Selenium automation scripts, then we need to use the command that is executeScript command. Now, let me practically show you how to use this command. So here is some sample automation code already written guys for opening the Chrome browser, maximizing the browser and opening the application URL. So it will open something like this in the Chrome browser. After this, I have a requirement where I want to run the JavaScript code using which I want to display an alert on this particular page. You can run any JavaScript code guys. For making this demonstration simple, I'm just trying to display some alert on this page. Some JavaScript alert I want to display on this page. You can run any JavaScript code, but here I'm trying to demonstrate displaying a simple JavaScript alert on this page. So how to do that? In order to run the JavaScript code from the Selenium automation scripts, we need to use this command known as executeScript command. But how to call this command? For that, we need to cache this driver. So here we have WebDriver driver is called new Chrome driver. We need to cache this driver object reference. How to do that? We have to cache that with the help of JavaScript executor interface. There's the interface in Selenium that is JavaScript executor. So using this, we need to cache the driver first, and it will return you the same thing. It will return the same JavaScript executor, guys. Hover the mouse here and say create local variable. Now hover the mouse here and import this JavaScript executor from Selenium. That's fine. This statement we have to write first. Then after that, we have to use this object reference and call the execute script command. So here remove everything, and here put the double quotes. Inside the double quotes, let me write a JavaScript statement. So when that particular JavaScript statement is executed, it will display a JavaScript alert on this page. So such kind of JavaScript statement I'm going to write. That is nothing but very simple guys, alert. There is a JavaScript statement known as this code is JavaScript code guys. This alert code is JavaScript code. So this alert I want to give some text also. Okay, on the alert I want to display some text. So I'll put some single quotes. Inside that I'll provide some text. Let's say I would like to display my name on the alert. So here guys, this statement is a JavaScript statement. This statement I want to execute using the Selenium automation scripts. Which command I have to use for executing this JavaScript code? This code is JavaScript code. Which command I am using for executing this JavaScript code? Execute script command of JavaScript executor interface I'm using. So now let's run this code and see whether this particular alert is getting displayed with this particular name on the web application page, this application page or not. Right click, run as Java application. This is a very simple application, simple example, guys. You can run several types of JavaScript codes from your Selenium automation scripts. This is a very basic one. Alert of some text is a very basic JavaScript statement, which we can use for displaying the alert on the page. You see, there's some text. Whatever the text I gave, that is displayed on the alert. Alert is kind of displayed, and the provided text is also displayed on the alert. So guys, this is how we need to execute the JavaScript code using the Selenium automation scripts using this command known as execute script command. So hope guys you understood how to use this execute script command for executing the JavaScript code from the Selenium automation scripts. So that's it guys. Thank you. Bye.